Hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So today as I am here with this Java programming class 10th, so today we'll learn about the most important thing or the most important topic in this Java, that is array. Array. So today we'll know about this array. This is just an introduction class, you can say, and we'll know how to write programs in this array. So let's start. Before starting this video, I would like to tell that please watch our full video to get full knowledge. So let's start. So first we can say this as this is as we can say that this is reference type data. After this, in this we have two types, dimensional and dimensional array and non-dimensional array. So we'll know about these two. After this is derived from primitive data type. Primitive data type. On this there is video on my channel, you can go and watch it. Primitive data type. So derived from primitive data type, example ARR, which we'll know today, int, char, string, float, etc. There are many, but this is just an example. ARR, which we'll know today, and these all we know that these are the primitive data type. Copy down till here. As we are talking about array, what is array? If there will be a question, what is array? So what we'll write? We'll write it is contiguous it is contiguous. This means what? This means it contains there are 7 boxes. We can see 7 boxes. We store this in one element of array. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. So we store it in ARRA. So how we'll define this array? It is contiguous memory location that can store data of similar kind. From this definition, what we come to know? It is contiguous memory location that can store data of similar kind. Of similar kind means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is an example given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are numeric value. There is nothing such like that 4.2, 5.0 and nothing like that. So these all comes under integer, and we can see that all are present in this integer. So this we can say that this is an array. It is contiguous memory location that can store data of similar kind, and one element can store different values at the same time. For this is the use of array. So copy down till here. This array we have two parts. In this array we have two parts. I have said that dimensional and non-dimensional. So today we'll know about dimensional array. What we come to know about dimensional array? This means that it will be in the form of certain dimension. This means that it will follow a kind of some pattern like thing. If we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 5, 7. This has a dimension 4, 5, 6, which I have done before, which I have taken example from 1 till 7. This is one form of the example given by me. If you want to take this 258, then we can easily change it, and this is known as dimensional array. So we'll start. As I have said all the things about array, and now you will think that all the things are okay, but how to write the program in this array? So today we'll know the simple things and basic things to know about this array. So let's start. First thing, what we have to do, first what we'll do, we'll declare declaration. A will consist of 10 values, in which form? In int. Every word in this has a meaning of it. So here A is in int form and it will contain 10 values in int form. This new is for taking the input, or for declaring it that this A will keep inside. It will keep 10 values inside it. This new is for that purpose. So after declaration, what we have to do? In program, what we do? Generally, we take input, and after that, what we have to find? We have to find output of that program. So second number, what we'll take? We'll take input, and third output. Now how to write it, I will tell. First copy this down. Input, as we have to take 10 numbers, So we have done it about we know about loops. Here it is very necessary to know about loops. That's why I have told in that chapter that do it carefully, because it is very important for the string which we have done. The videos are there in my channel, and array which we are doing now. So this is for loop is very important for this. So what we'll write? We'll write for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. What we'll write? A of I is equal to this A of I, will put I inside this, and I will go till 10. We'll write here sc dot next int. This is very important to understand, as this we have declared int A is equal to new int 10. This means that the user will give 10 inputs. After this, where we will store this? So for storing, we will start a for loop. For int I is 0, I is less than equal to 10. I is 0, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus. I will be less than 10 and I plus plus. After this, what we'll do? A of I, we call it A of I. A of I, A of I, A of I is equal to sc dot next int. This means first, when the value of A of I, when I will be 0, it will take one variable 2. I will be 0. When I will be 1, it will take 3. When I will be 5, it will take one variable. So these all are in integer form, so we call it as dimensional array for output of this program. Copy it down for input. For output, what we'll do, we'll write the same thing. For int I is 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. After this, here we are taking input. So simply what we'll do, we'll just remove this statement. We'll just remove this statement and we'll write system dot out dot print ln and print what we want to print. We want, as if we want to print the value of A of I. So this will give the result of A of I. This was the thing in this. All the things are dependent on this three. First, declaration. Second, the input. And third, the output. So I keep it till here. After this, in our next class, what we'll do, we'll do some programming practice of this array, as it is very important, and 15 marks question is surety of 15 marks question is there in the boards. So this is very important chapter. So this was for today. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.